mommies! Meron tayong bagong product ngayon. So from the makers of organic baby wipes, meron tayong organic baby laundry pods. So ano yung laundry pods? So basically, it's a concentrated laundry detergent na ganito na lang siya kaliit. So, di ba, imbis na yung 2 cup na liquid detergent or ilang scoop, ito na lang siya. So isang load, isang capsule lang. Ganun lang kakonti yung kailangan nyong gamitin. So, anong meron dito? So, syempre, yung soap component natin, which is yung laundry detergent, the organic baby laundry pods can kill 99.9% antibacteria, which is can kill 99.9% bacteria. It can also kill 99.9% mites. Ano yung mites? Mites is like the dust mites. Yun yung mga maliliit na insekto na kumakapit sa katawan natin, which is one of the major factor that causes allergies. So yun, natatanggal ng organic baby laundry pods. And then it also has the Fabcon factor, fabric conditioner, and then it also has odor and stain removal. So lahat yon all in this tiny capsule, di ba? And then, syempre, true to our brand, it's organic. So the ingredients are all plant-based, and it's also EcoCert certified na organic talaga yung ginagamit nating components ng laundry pods. It has organic coconut oil, olive oil, and chamomile. And then it has 10 times deep cleaning power. And then it's also biodegradable. So ito, water-soluble siya. So meaning, kailangan tuyo yung kamay nyo pagka ginagamit nyo to. Kasi once nabasa, nagdi-dissolve siya agad. Tapos, walang kahit anong matitira. So, lalabas na yung detergent natin. That's why you just put it there. Pagtapos nyo maglaba, walang anything. And then, it's good for sensitive skin also. And then, it has a very gentle cleaning formula and it's residue-free. Kasi pagka-powder, usually, may mga natitirang chalk or residue sa damit na syempre ayaw natin yun. And then, since it's liquid, wala siyang residue na natitira. It's also pH neutral, very, very gentle. And then, it has no paraben, no phthalate, no phosphorus, no bleaching agent, no whitening agent, no fluorescent agent. Ano ba to? So, ito yung mga usual chemicals na nakikita natin sa laundry detergent. Ito yung nakakapalinis, mas nakakapalinis, nakaka-color protect, ganyan. Pero, itong mga chemicals na to is very, not really, it's very harmful ba, kumbaga, sa atin. Kasi some of this can cause cancer, some of it can cause hormonal imbalance, di ba? Tapos iba is toxic to the skin. So, ayaw syempre natin yun sa damit natin, tapos sinusot natin damit araw-araw, lalo pa sa mga anak natin. So, with the organic baby laundry pods, wala ito lahat. So, it's very, very gentle and it's very, very convenient to use.